Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm being a bit about the Schok Volt SV55 for Boost Mobile. So this is a new Android smartphone for Boost Mobile. This is a new budget phone, of course. It's available now for $39.99. It's on sale, $30 off. Full retail price for the Schok Volt is $69.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever the case may be, you guys can check out this phone here. I believe that this is Schok's first smartphone. I believe I could be wrong about that. I know that they had the Schok Flip. I know they had the Schok Flip on Boost Mobile as well. But this is the first smartphone I have seen. So, yeah, let's go and check it out here. The Schok Volt, pretty nice looking wallpaper there. I do like the wallpaper a lot. I really do. I think it looks very nice. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you will get what you pay for here, so do keep it in mind, alright? So, on the front of the phone, you guys have your front-facing camera earpiece. So, if you'll have your front-facing camera earpiece, you'll have your 18:9 aspect ratio, which is very nice. And then, like I said, the wallpaper is very nice. I like the wallpaper a lot. I wish I could have it on my phone. You know, I do like the wallpaper. That's like my favorite thing about the phone is the wallpaper. So, you know, yeah, it has bezels on top and bottom, of course. So, yeah. And then your power button, the volume keys are on the right side of the phone there. So, yeah. Left side has nothing on it. Keep in mind you have a slight camera bump on the back there. So, yeah. Then the right side, like I mentioned, power button, volume keys, your camera bump on the back. Speaking of the camera, you guys have this interesting camera design, which I also like as well. My second favorite thing about the phone is the camera design. And it has a single rear camera. That's it, one camera in the rear, and dual LED flash. And if you guys could read what it says right there on the back of the phone, it says 5 megapixel camera, autofocus, f2.0, main camera. So, that's pretty interesting that it has it spelled out. It's probably like that on the phone too. When you guys get the phone, you guys probably will see that on the back of the phone. So, pretty interesting touch there. And the pretty interesting camera design as well, which I do like it personally. You guys got back and forth, so basically it's just a plastic black cover here, the Schok logo, which I do like that too. And then you got your speaker right here. So pretty cool. It says here the Schok Volt SV55. I don't know what SV55 is. I don't know if that's like some special thing or whatever. I don't know. It says here the Schok Volt SV55 smartphone was created to be affordable, modern, and extremely reliable. It definitely is modern in terms of like design, and it is affordable. It's like $40. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, here you go. It says here it runs on the latest Android 11 Go edition. So it runs Android 11 Go. So you'll have a lightweight version of Android. So keep that in mind. And that's why the price is the way it is now. That's why the price is what it is, because this is an Android Go edition smartphone. So keep that in mind. It says focusing on improved speed for faster launch times, to 3000 mAh battery. Lasts all day while you watch videos, capture photos, or catch up with your friends. The vibrant 5.5-inch display is the perfect size for one-handed operation and makes it easy to take pictures with the 5 megapixel camera or take amazing selfies with its 2 megapixel front camera. The Volt SV55 is mobile hotspot ready, so you can extend your connection. So you can extend your connectivity to other devices. I see 2 red flags already in the spec sheet: the screen size and the battery capacity. It has a 3000 mAh battery. It's putrid as fuck. It's 2023. I don't know why we're still getting phones with 3000 mAh batteries. I get that this does have Android Go, but come on now. Y'all could at least put like a 4000 mAh battery in there, maybe 5000. I mean, hello. The screen size is small as fuck, 5.5 inches. That is compact as fuck. So if you guys want a compact smartphone, here you go. Yeah, I mean, the screen size is small as fuck. Especially in 2023, because a lot of phones now are over 6 inches, including budget smartphones. But like I said, if you guys want a compact smartphone, here you guys go. The two biggest cons about the phone is the battery and the screen size, but like I said, this is a budget phone that runs Android 11 Go. I mean, it is what it is. The Schok Volt SV55 is faster, has more power, and is always ready when you need it. This device is compatible with the expanded network, so this will be on the T-Mobile network. So when you guys buy this phone from Boost Mobile, y'all will be on the T-Mobile network, so keep it in mind. So the quick specs on the phone, you guys already know the specs already. 3000 mAh battery, which is putrid as fuck. 5.5 inch display, 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, and Android 11 Go edition. So you'll get lightweight version of Android on there. So keep it in mind. Of course, how it'll work is wait for your phone to, order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick it and activate online. Features: 5.5 inch TFT LCD display, 3000 mAh battery, 5 megapixel rear facing and 2 megapixel front facing cameras. Additional features: latest Android Go operating system, Android 11 Go. It has a unique design, which it does, especially the camera design. It looks very unique, which I do like. That's like my second favorite thing about the phone. Specs: y'all have a 3000 mAh battery, like I said. The battery is not removable, so I think the back is removable though to access your micro SD and SIM card slot. But the battery itself is not removable. It's not, so you're stuck with that 3000 mAh battery. You're stuck with it, so keep it in mind. The memory is Android Go edition standard, so don't forget about the storage and stuff. Because this one's Android 11 Go. Has 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and like I said, this runs the Android Go edition. So don't freak out about the storage too much about that. I mean, it is what it is, guys. SD card slot up to 256 gigabytes, so you will need to take advantage of that. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor, 1.2 gigahertz quad-core, probably a Snapdragon 215, I guess. Cortex A53, Android 11 Go edition. Cameras for 2 megapixel front camera, 5 megapixel rear camera with flash. Display 5.5 inches. That is FWVGA. I'm not kidding. That's literally what the display is. FWVGA at 480 by 960 pixel resolution. It is 18 by 9 screen though, so that's very nice. So the display is gonna look like crap. I'm just giving you guys a heads up now. But if you guys are looking for a backup phone, you guys won't really care about the display too much, I guess. It has a capacitive touchscreen, which is interesting. Dimensions are there, and the weight of the Schok Volt is 167 grams. Your connectivity options for the Schok Volt is Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth 4.2. Other features include the accelerometer, barometer, proximity sensor, light sensor. What's included in the box is your Schok Volt and your charging cable. I don't know if it's micro USB or Type-C. It's probably the micro USB. I wouldn't be surprised if it is, so keep it in mind. If you guys need help with your Schok Volt, Boost Mobile can help you out with that with device support here. It says, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications there. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone or whatever, backup smartphone or whatnot, just Schok Volt. Keep it one for you guys to check out here. There are a lot of cons in my opinion, but this is just my opinion, so don't hop on my nuts and just talk shit, but these are my opinions, so keep that in mind. The biggest con that has a 3000 mAh battery. The second biggest con that has a 5.5 inch display. Third con is the display is gonna look like shit, which is FWVGA. And yeah, I mean, those are the three biggest cons: is the battery, display, and the display resolution. The two pros I like about the phone is the wallpaper and the camera and the camera design on the back and the logo. So 3 pros for me is the logo, the wallpaper on the phone, and the camera design on the back. Those are my 3 pros for the phone. That's just my opinion. So yeah guys, the Schok Volt SV55. I don't know what SV55 stands for. I don't know if it means something or whatever. So pretty interesting name for a phone, but here we are. So if you guys are looking to check out this phone, it's available now at Boost Mobile for $39.99. Currently on sale for $40 off. It's not worth $20. It's not. $40 is, I guess, a decent price for it. $20 is not, but that's just me personally. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.